If you watch this video till the end and practice everything I'm going to show you here, you will no longer need to be sending people 20 pictures of your product so that they can make a choice. Also, you'll be able to automate your sales using a free website that you're going to create with your phone. And this automation helps people to make purchases, buy, and even make payments while you are away or asleep or taking care of your family or doing other things that are important to you. You don't have to spend your entire day replying messages, helping people to make purchases and all of those things, especially as a business owner who is thinking of scaling. You are just one person and you have just 24 hours in a day. If you use all that time to reply people, your business will never grow. The secret to businesses that are scaling up and doing thousands and millions of naira and dollars in revenue is the fact that they can automate a lot of processes in their businesses. And one of the most important and also difficult aspects of your business to automate is the sales aspect. This is where people pass through the buying journey, where they see a product they like, they see the price, and they make a purchase. Most business owners make the mistake of spending their time that would have been spent on marketing, which means attracting people to the business. They spend their time replying customers, closing the deals, things that could be done with a simple e-commerce website. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a simple e-commerce website that is 100% free, and you can do this in less than 10 minutes using your smartphone. You can create this site, put your products there, and send people the link so that they can go and shop and make payments while you are not even physically available or while you are not even responding to them one-on-one. Imagine what you can do with your time if you automate your sales process in your business. You need an e-commerce website regardless of what you're selling: products, services, tutorials, ebooks, digital products. You need a site like this that works well. And if you cannot afford to pay a website designer 100k, 300k, 500k, and even up to #1,000,000 to design a website for you, this is a simple e-commerce store that you can create with your phone and use to start. The best part is that it is 100% free to create. So if you're ready, I am ready to show you, and I'm going to be sharing my screen right now to show you exactly how we use this website to create an e-commerce store and how you can automate your sales using this. You can also use this to run your adverts. You can use this to send people to make choices. You know how much space and data it consumes when you constantly have to send people pictures, or they're asking for a particular product, to send them 10 pictures and then they say, oh sorry, I'll get back to you, when you can easily send them to a website where they can make their choice and make payments easily. Do you see how beautiful this is and how this saves you lots of time, stress, and money? So I'm going to go straight and show you my screen exactly how you can create this website. But before then, I'd like to say welcome to this channel. My name is Favour Kemjii Okoro, and make sure that you are subscribed, because on this channel we talk about sales, marketing, finance, and everything that will help you live a highly profitable life all round. You don't want to miss upcoming videos and tutorials on this channel, so hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that we can form a family and share tips and tutorials that would help us grow in every area of our lives. All right, let me show you this tool and let's see how we can use it immediately. What we're going to be using is called Bumper. You're going to go to your website and type Bumper, then you're going to open it. This is where it's going to take you. Bumper is a site that can help you grow your business and do lots of things. So now I'm going to fill up these details and continue. When you get to this point, please select Referral. I didn't ask you how you found out about Bumper. Select the last option, which is Referral, because you heard it from me, my referral. So they're going to ask you for referral code. I'm going to put the referral code on the screen, and I'm also going to put this in the description. Type the referral code here and click on I agree to Bumper's terms and privacy policy, and then we get straight into it. Then this is where you type personal information, stuff about yourself. You type all of that here: your first name, your middle name, and your phone number. This is where you talk about your business. Good. Now you put your business name. Mine is Kemjii Media. Put your business name, not mine, please. Now this is going to be your link, your business link. The next option is store URL, and it's already giving me Kemjii Media. Anything you put in business name is what is going to appear in the store URL, right? Now this is where you put your business description. This is where you describe your business. Kemjii Media is a digital marketing agency. Okay, once you're done, you click on continue. Now your Instagram handle, it's optional, but I'm going to put mine.
Currency is Naira because I'm in Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, put your currency there. Then store tagline is optional. You can skip that. Your tagline is simply what describes your business. Different businesses, something like MTN, their tagline is everywhere you go, right? So whatever is your tagline, you can put it there. So the next page, you're setting up your store. Country, Nigeria for me. State, Imo. City, Owerri. Zip code optional. Address optional. Submit. If you have all of this, please put it. I just want this video to be fast. Now you can see that your page has been set up, your store has been set up. The next thing is that you want to set up, you want to do these three things here. Now you need to complete setting up your store by doing these three things. One, you need to add the product. Two, you need to enable payments. And three, you need to record your first order. So we're going to do all of that. Proceed to add product. Now click on add product and click on drag and drop image. Let me go to my library and add one of my courses or maybe my ebook. Add that. No, upload it like that. Product details, I'm going to enter the name, WhatsApp influencer secrets. Talk about the name of your product. Your product is Ankara ready to wear dress. Write the name. I'm writing the name of my own product, right? You can now describe it. This ebook will show you blah blah blah. Take your time and write it. I'm only trying to be fast because this is a short video. If I'm taking my time, I'll really write something long and detailed so that if people see it, they will want to buy this product. This is product description and everything is optional. Now if you want to have collections, you click on select collections and you can create a new collection, or if you have collections already on your store, click on select collections and create. But since it's a new store, I don't have collection. What is collections? Let's say your products are grouped into different types. Let's say you have an electronic store, right? So you have televisions, you have MP3s, you have earpiece, you have laptops, you have phones. So these are collections. So under phones, you have iPhone 11, iPhone XS Max, Samsung Galaxy S20. So you create different page for all these products, but you put them under the collection called phones. I hope you understand. Under the collection called books, you have Get Rich, you have this book by that person, this book by that person, but it's all under one collection called books. So you should know how to put your product into different collections. You're a hair vendor, you can have bone straight collection. So under it, you have 10 inches, 2 inches, 10 inches, 100 inches, and all of that. So I hope you understand. So I can decide to create a collection, but I won't be doing that now. But I just explained what is a collection. Now, does this product have variations? For example, if you're selling a wig, it can have different variations. It can have colors, different colors, different lengths. That's where you click on yes, it has, right? This is where you can now put different prices for different variations. Red is 200k, blue is 250k, and all of that. But this my product has no variations, it's just one type. I'm going to click select no, it doesn't. Then I'll put the price 5,500. Now this part is if you're doing a discount. So let's say I'm doing a discount. I can come here and say instead of 5,500 you can pay 2,500, right? And it's going to show that we're on a discount. Now this is where you put stock quantity. How many do you have in stock? This is important for people to know that there is limited options and they should take action fast. So I'm going to put like we have 20 pieces in stock. Product locations is optional because for this, now this is a digital product, it has locations everywhere. Now if you want them to scan a barcode, you add a barcode here. Aside that, I think I am good to go. So yeah, once I'm done, check everything that you put. If it's okay, you can add as many, you can add 2 pictures, so you can even add more pictures, more than 2. You can add more than 2 pictures. If you want more pictures, just click on upload image and go. Anyone, if you in case you uploaded up to 4 5 images and you want to make one the thumbnail is that this is the one that will be at the header when people open this page. You click on make thumbnail and it becomes the thumbnail. If you mistakenly uploaded a picture and you want to move it, click on this trash icon here and you trash it. So now 2 things you can do right now is you can preview this page, see what it looks like to somebody who just comes to visit it. I click on preview and this is what the page looks like, right? And once I'm done, I'm going to click on add products. Now I've added my first product. The next thing is to enable payments. Add my bank account. So I'm going to put my bank account. If you're seeing this is a sign for you to copy this bank account and send me money. Yeah, cool. And account name, account number 20856778850. Good. Once you're done, click on add. Done. Then record your first order. Now this is for you if you have an order. If you do not have an order, you can leave it blank, but I'm sure most of us already have orders that have happened on WhatsApp, right? So you can go to your WhatsApp, look for any order that you recorded, put the customer details here, their name, their email, their bumper handle. If you don't have any of that, just leave it blank and just select the kind of sale it was. If it was a physical sale, they came to your store, physically select physical sale. If they came to Instagram, WhatsApp, wherever it was, let me just say they came to WhatsApp and the date was on Wednesday. The product they bought was this, right? Yes. They already paid. Good. And then you click on create. This is your first order. You set it up now. And I can see that you are good to go. Successfully done. You can see this. So now we have created our online store. Remember your URL. Do you remember your URL from the beginning? Don't worry, we'll find it. So this was our first order. You can download the receipt here and you can send it to the person. That's another thing that this app or this website does for you. It generates receipts for you. Now this is a receipt. You can screenshot this receipt or you can save it to your phone and send it to the person that bought and say, this is your receipt for the book you bought from Kemjii Media. Can you see that? So it helps you to generate receipts and invoices and makes your brand look very, very serious and professional. So let's go back to what we're doing. This is our dashboard. Now, if you want to send somebody to your page, you're going to copy the link to your dashboard. Let's view what our store looks like. See? This is our store. This is once somebody comes to this store, they can just click here, select this product, add it to cart, make payments easily, proceed to checkout and make their payment. They put their shipping details and they make their payments. Simple and short. Now if you want to add more products, now this is the link to your store. Remember when we were doing it, it was kemjiimedia.bumper.shop. That's the link. Is the business name. If your business name is already taken, they will add maybe numbers to it and to make it, maybe you want to say Ada Shop and Ada Shop is already taken. They will give you Ada Shop 001 or Ada Shop 002 or something like that. So you can easily copy this link, copy it and send it to anybody to visit your store. Now let's go back to our dashboard. We're not done. Now look at this WhatsApp icon here. Okay, so this is it. This is our page looking really, really great. Do you see that? So now if you want to add a new product, all you have to, there are other things you need to do like confirm your email, connect Instagram and all of that. You can navigate around, play around and you have a good time. So once you click on these three dots at the top left, go down, click on products. Now to add a new product, all you need to do is click on add new products. Click on add new products and that's it. You can follow the same step we followed before and your product is automatically created. Simple and short. Very, very simple and short. So I think that's that. Yeah, that's that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And that WhatsApp number that you put before is the WhatsApp number that would show at the side of your page. People can chat you on WhatsApp automatically. This is such a beautiful website and you can use it to do a lot of things. So make sure you sign up today and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.
So you see, it's actually very easy to create an e-commerce store for yourself and your business in few minutes. And I want you to go ahead and try this out right now and let me know in the comments how it went for you. If you have questions or you had any issues while you were using it, also ask me in the comment section and I'll be willing to answer you. Now, I want to know those who watched till the end. If you watch to the end and you're grateful for this video, please comment free e-commerce store. Comment free e-commerce store in the comment section. I would see it. I would love your comment and I would appreciate you for watching till the end and supporting this channel. So if you watch to the end, if you watch till this moment, comment free e-commerce store in the comment section. That is your little way of saying that you appreciate this content and you're going to encourage me to create more videos like this that show you how to do things that grow your business and your finances. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share the link on your WhatsApp status, share your Instagram stories, share your Facebook, share everywhere that you have an audience, okay? It will encourage us to keep going. So thank you for watching, thank you for watching, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.